Welcome to Oriental Group, the specialist in Asian houseplant assortment. Carefully cultivated products by a dedicated team of people supported by automation. All our arrangements are compiled and produced with care and attention. A sales team with the right balance of experience, enthusiasm, and above all, love for the product. Besides an energy-friendly growing environment with a high level of automation, we have the ability to supply large retail orders and fine distribution. All these components provide Asian houseplants with a modern and trend-related added value. See you soon.